Hi, my name is Stuart Rudd. I'm one of the tutors from the Sussex Business School. At the Sussex Business School we cater for courses such as management and leadership, consulting, coaching and mentoring. All of these courses are certificated by the Chartered Management Institute. In this short video, what I'd like to discuss is essential elements of a strategic plan. What do we put into a plan? What do we put in a strategic plan? What differs? What do we need to include is most important. If we get it right at the beginning, the follow-through should be robust enough to complete, or at least we hope so. So, in that essence, first thing that we need to consider is our purpose. What's the mission statement of the organisation? That's why we're in business, and we need to consider that element to start off with. Then we need to consider things like our culture, our environment, and the ethics that we support. Those are the things that need to go into the beginning, because we need to be true to our values. We need to be true to what we want to do and what we're setting out to do. Again, going back to this is the purpose, this is why we're into business. So there's the first thing that needs to go into place. Second element, we need to plan. So we need to do some analysis work to start off with. The first thing to do is to understand the external factors. So we go into things like PESTLE analysis to find out what external factors could impact on our plan and what we're wanting to achieve. Internally, and potentially externally as well, we look at a SWOT analysis, and we conduct research within all of this. The results from this research with the PESTLE, the SWOT, the analysis that takes place, we then get to the point where we're able to create a plan. Now that plan should provide an outcome of actions, and those actions may change the way that we do things. It may change the services, the products that we sell, what we do. It may also change the way that customers view us, so we need to give careful consideration to these elements. And with these changes that we're about to put in place, we need to work out how we're going to roll those out. So those plans will then filter into actually actions of doing. We can create a plan in the middle of this, or plan, do, check, act, PDCA, which is a Deming's wheel. So we can go with that element as well to throw into it. So whilst the plan's in action, one of the things we need to do, as in Deming's wheel, PDCA, we need to monitor and measure the success. How's it going? What things do we need to do differently? What's going well? What can be improved? Essentially those approaches. The end part is we need to communicate the plan. So we need to communicate the status, where we are, what we're doing, again what's going well, where elements can be improved. And that creates the whole holistic approach to a strategic plan. Many thanks.